So hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to switch back from professional account to personal account in Instagram. Okay, let's get started. So firstly you need to open your Instagram app and go to profile. Now just click on three lines and go to settings. Here you can see account, tap on it, and here you can see an option called switch account type. So click on it, and here you can see switch to personal account. Click on it. Now the professional account will be converted into personal account. So in this way you can change your professional account to personal account in Instagram. Thank you so much.